Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, we're seeing some falls in key commodity prices like oil and copper, and a sharpish retreat in benchmark interest rates today. That is all probably due to assessment of the risks in the Middle East. Overnight, the US Chicago Fed's tracking of their National Activity Index moved up from a negative to a positive, suggesting the US is now expanding at its long-run average. In China, foreign direct investment fell 8.4% in the first 9 months of 2023, a faster pace of retreat than the 5.1% fall in August and the 4% fall in the 7 months to July. This is a retreat and disengagement that must be worrying the Beijing economic mandarins. And foreign money managers are bailing on some of the biggest names in China's technology sector as a global exodus from the nation's equities deepens. And China says it's on track to produce an all-time record high grain harvest, significantly easing food security fears there. And Indonesia's central bank unexpectedly raised its benchmark rate by 25 basis points to 6% late on Thursday after months of standing pat, as it looks to support the stability of the rupiah and guard against inflation. And Singapore's September consumer inflation is proving sticky at 4.1%, the same level for the past 4 months, although it is down from well over 6% a year ago. Globally, a UN agency for trade is noting that friendshoring is picking up speed more quickly now as big power rivalry unstitches years of trade integration. The US Treasury 10-year yield has fallen back sharply today after very briefly hitting over 5%. It is now at 4.84% and down a net 9 basis points from this time on Saturday. And the price of gold will start today at $1,972 an ounce, down $10 from Saturday. And oil prices have fallen $3 to just on $85.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just on $89 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 58.5 US cents, up 20 basis points from Saturday. Against the Aussie, we're still at 92.2 Australian cents. Against the euro, we've slipped slightly to 54.9 euro cents. That all means our trade weight index starts today at 68.4 and unchanged from Saturday, but down 85 basis points from this time last week. Get more news about the New Zealand economy from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.